Alright, so it is finally here. The CPU that I've been waiting for so long. I've been waiting on this Wraith cooler, and, well, not just Wraith cooler, but the processor itself. We're going to go through a little bit of a journey today. We're going to install it. And there's Poophead. Alright, so first we're going to unbox this. I need a knife. I hate to try a knife on this. Let me make sure that you guys can see this. Alright. Oh, here it is. Now, here is the processor itself. I'm gonna lay this right here for now. And then here, I can get it out, is the cooler. Now, this thing is huge. Now, I do not want to take it out of the bottom thing just yet, because I do not want the thermal paste to stick on anything. So I'm just going to put this back down in here. And first, before I do anything, I need to clean this out a little bit. So we're going to do that now. Yeah, I know. I think this thing should just pull right off, or is it? Okay, so I have the cooler uninstalled. It's right here. This one is huge compared to that one. So I have the power of world domination. Okay, so that one is uninstalled. It's time to install this one. I'm like shaking right now. This is nerve-wracking. First time ever doing this. There's a little sticker that I can put on it, so that'll be cool. And here is the CPU. Now the arrow is right there, and the arrow is right there, so I'm pretty sure I'll line that up. So I'll line this arrow up with it. There. Alright, it's in. I'll lower this. Wiggle it a bit. Okay, it's in. The CPU itself is installed. I just gotta install the cooler now.
That's how you don't tear it out.
Alright, so there's the cooler. I don't think this one requires a nail or a screw, I mean. What?
Who are you talking to?
This?
Were you taking a picture of me right now?
Yeah.
Are you videoing me?
Yeah.
You gonna have this on YouTube?
Yeah, probably. Oh wait, yes, it does need the screws in. Alright, so I look like garbage, but we just installed this, and there's the sticker. I quit filming because I wanted to concentrate. I'm sorry you didn't get to see all of it, but you may be able to see it. No, you can't, too dark. But we're about to see the moment of truth. Here we go. It's spinning. It's spinning. It's coming on. Oh. Let me just put this in. Now for people like Clear something, you may be saying this isn't anything, but this has been stressful for me because this is my first time ever doing that. But look at that, it's spinning, it's on. There it is. It's only 8% right now. It still says 4,300 on this though. Not sure why. And on this it still says 4,300. I want to get on cam and see what it says. I'll be back. Okay, so I didn't update you guys on the situation from yesterday. It is now the day after Christmas because I got all involved in family and all that stuff. So Butterbean actually uploaded a video. What is that? Anyways, I gotta hurry this up because I barely have any battery left. I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys about this, that way I can go ahead and edit this, and I'll try to put in the description if I can remember how long it took me to render this. I'm going to render this with the CPU, not the GPU. I've been rendering the GPU, but I'm going to do a CPU just to see what it's like. So we're going to do a render test And I don't think I have anything else to say other than I'm having problems. GTA and Battlefield, they're still maxing out at 100%. My GPU only gets to like 50 or 60% usage, and that is not what I want. On games like Mad Max and stuff like that, the CPU only gets to like 60% and the GPU gets to 100, so I don't know what the problem is. I watch other benchmarks with the same specs, and they get a lot better performance than I do, like double the performance. Like on Battlefield 1, I get 30 to 45 FPS on lowest settings. They get about 55 to 70 on low medium settings. So I don't know what the problem is. If you guys have any idea, at this point I am clueless. I thought it was a CPU, but I don't know. At this point I'm just tempted to like reinstall Windows and see if that does anything. Uh, I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions in the comments, please tell me. I know this has been kind of a weird video. I didn't stick to my word of showing me installing it. But, it doesn't matter, I don't guess. But I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, goodbye.